Hey loves, welcome back. In today's sessions, we are diving into something super important, the ingredients and actual science behind the lash lift solutions, especially solutions number 1 and solutions number 2. If you're doing lash lift or planning to, these are the 2 MVP in your kit. Without them, you can't really lift or lock anything. So let's break it all down. Nice and simple. Right, let's start with solutions number 1. This is the one that does the heavy lifting, literally. This usually contains ammonia. That's an ingredient with a strong smell you will notice right away. And its job is to open up the outer layer of your lashes. It's kind of like lifting the little scales off a fish. And then there's acid which dives deeper into the lashes to soften it from the inside down. And yeah, you'll also find things like softening agents, some fragrance, some few ester to improve the texture and smell. Because let's be real, nobody wants the lashes smelling like chemicals. But really, it's the ammonia and the acid are doing all the work here. They help relax the natural lashes so it can be reshaped. So here's what's happening behind the scenes. That ammonia open up the outer cuticles and again, think fish scales flipping up. And that's give the acid a doorway into the cortex here, which is the middle layer of your lashes where all the proteins fiber are. These fibers are normally packed in tightly. That's what gives your lashes their strength and structure. But when the acid gets in, it breaks the little bone apart, and like cutting the link in a chain. Now your lashes go from firm and stiff to soft and bendy, kind of like some cooking pasta. It starts stiff and straight, but once you soften it, it can twist even any way you want. And that's exactly what we do next with a lash rod or shield. So when your lashes are soft and flexible, we go ahead and shape them onto the rod, whatever the curl or lift we are aiming for. But here's the thing, if you stop here, don't move to step 2, those lashes will slowly go back to their natural lash shapes. It's like curling your hair without the hairspray. Looks good for an hour and then flattens out. So that's where solutions number 2 comes in. Once we are super happy with the curl, the lashes are sitting perfectly on the rod, nice and even, it's time for solutions number 2. This one contains oxidizing agents. Basically, it goes back into the lash and start rebuilding those proteins bond that we broke earlier. Imagining it's like resetting the concrete. Now the new shape is locked in and won't move. This is a step that makes the curl stay, whether it's soft natural lift or a dramatic curl. Once we are super happy with the curl, the lashes are sitting perfectly on the rod, nice and even, it's time for solutions number 2. This one contains oxidizing agents. Basically, it go back into the lashes and start rebuild those proteins bones that we broke earlier. Imagine it like resetting concrete. Now the new shape is locked in and won't move. This is a step that makes the curl stay, whether it's a soft natural lift or dramatic curl. Solutions 2 holds it in place. Quick warning here, this part is crucial. If you don't place the lashes properly before solution 2 and they are all twisty and messy, guess what? Solution 2 is going to lock them in exactly like that. So always double check, make sure that the lash placement is cleaned, even and smooth. Because remember, this solution doesn't curl, it set whatever shape you already created. Okay, so let's recap the full lash lift process real quick. Step 1, solution number 1, open up the cuticles and soften the structures so we can mold the lashes into a new shape. Then step 2, we bring in the fixative solutions number 2 to rebuild those bones and freeze the new curl in place. Now over time the curl will gradually relax and is totally normal. But here's the cool part, if your clients get regular lash lift, the lashes actually start to learn that shape. Yep, with repeated lash lift, the lashes kinda remember the new directions. Even if the tiny muscle under the skin called erectopili that control the angle start to adjusting and pushing the lashes upward naturally. So even if your client skip a few sessions, the lashes will still hold a gentle curve. It's like the muscle memory, kind of like how your bangs start falling in a certain way after you have styled them, that way every day. Yup, with repeated lash lift, the lashes kind of remember the new directions, even if the tiny muscles under the skin called erector pili that controls the lash angle start adjusting and pushing the lashes upward naturally. So even if your client skip a few sessions, the lashes will still hold a gentle curve. It's like the muscle memory, kind of like how your bangs start falling in a certain way after you have styled them, that way every day. So we call this the lash trainings, and it's one of the perks of doing the lash lift regularly.